Looking for a masterclass in classlessness and poor customer service? Then South Avenue Grill is your place. My first and last visit to celebrate my birthday was a complete disaster, from being completely ignored to be seated.
Miss Queen Deja, you stated you were completely ignored upon entering the restaurant. Yet, here you are, being seated within 1 minute of arrival.
To then trying to order drinks and being told that the bartender said no.
You stated that the bartender refused to serve you. Yet, here you are, being served drinks within minutes of being seated.
To the wait time to get our food, which mind you was after gas almost killed us.
You stated, yes, almost kill us. But here you are, being served made-to-order lobster and steamed fish within 20 minutes of ordering.
To then having to hardly eat our food because they were stripping the table, to then trying to take pictures and people then lock off the light.
You stated that you had to hurry up and eat because tables were being stripped and the lights turned off. Yet, here is your waitress taking pictures of you dining with lights on. You stated that you could not take pictures, yet here is round 2 of your photo shoot with your waitress being very accommodating 31 minutes past closing hours. She proceeds to clean the table after helping you with your birthday photos. And here we have 15 members of our very tired staff patiently waiting in our staff courtesy bus in the restaurant parking lot. You now move to a 3rd location for your birthday photo shoot. And 42 minutes after closing time, you move to a 4th location for your photo shoot, this time by the water wheel at the water fountain. And finally, we have your extremely tired and accommodating waitress boarding the staff bus to finally head home.
When I tell you negative 10 out of 10 worst dining experience ever, would not recommend to the dogs of my enemies.
You stated that this was the worst dining experience ever. Yet, here you are, walking out 48 minutes after closing time with food in hand. We understand the need for content on social media and going viral, but please do not do it at the expense of honest, hard-working people. South Avenue Grill made it through 2 years of COVID with much hard work and sacrifice alongside our incredible employees. We realize you crave attention, but we will not allow you to get it at the expense of South Avenue Grill and our hardworking family of staff. We will pray for you.